Storm Team 8 Tracking Center. This is a winter weather alert.
It's a calm start to our Friday. If you're stepping out the door, really the only thing you'll notice is cloudy skies and a little bit of fog over Muskegon. You'll notice visibility is down slightly across the area, down to 4 miles in Muskegon, 5 in Grand Rapids as well as in Ionia, but near normal the further south you go, and temperatures fluctuating right near that freezing mark, 32 in Holland and 30 in Grand Rapids. If we take a look at Storm Track Live, we're dry and really not a whole lot to talk about on our radar, but if we add satellite in and give you a bit of a wider view, you'll notice a thick layer of clouds, and that's from a system down to our south. A warm front is set to lift over our area, and while it's rain there for now, it will not be rain by the time it makes it to West Michigan. Overnight, we got our winter alerts in, which include winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings. The warning is what you see in the pink. The purple is the advisory. All across West Michigan go into effect at 2 o'clock this afternoon, but expire at various times. North of I-94 continues through 4 a.m. on Saturday. South of I-94, midnight on Saturday. So here's a check of that futurecast again. It looks like it's going to be rain, but it won't by the time it gets here. Likely going to be a bit of a wintry mix or very wet snow right around that Friday evening commute time. It does transition into moderate to heavy snow into our overnight hours before we slowly dry out into Saturday. We'll be left behind with a few stray flurries and somewhat breezy conditions as winds shift to the northwest at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. And overall, a pretty gloomy Saturday ahead of us. So here's a check at those latest snow totals. Not too much of a change. We still are expecting that heaviest swath near I-94 at 6 to 10 inches, or even pockets towards that 12-inch mark. A little bit further to the north for Hastings and portions of Kalamazoo County, 4 to 6 inches. Grand Rapids, Greenville, Holland, anywhere from 2 to 4. And the further north you go, the less snow you'll be seeing. Temperatures today will be even a little bit above that freezing mark, topping off at 36. That's a couple degrees below normal and, of course, not record-breaking. But when we see temperatures above that freezing mark, we tend to have a pretty wet snow. We'll have about an 8-to-1 ratio, which means for every inch of liquid or water or rainfall, that's about 8 inches of snow. So it is going to be heavy and tough to shovel out there, something to take note of. Otherwise, a pretty calm 8-day forecast after we get through today. Again, a high of 36 with that snow moving in after noon or 12 p.m. today. It'll be breezy as well, so keep an eye out for the potential of power outages. A few stray flurries remain both Saturday morning and a few lake effect flurries possible at night. Otherwise, temperatures in the 40s this weekend. Another chance for widespread showers develop Monday with a high near 48. Will be breezy both Tuesday and Wednesday before temperatures cool off significantly by the end of the weekend into next weekend. Megan, today is really, or this morning is really the calm before the storm. How's our morning commute shaping up? Well,